everyone, and welcome back to Jeff and Joe's Puerto Rican Kitchen, where we show you how to make easy, authentic Puerto Rican recipes. Today, I wanted to make a real short video and show you guys how to make adobo. Now, I'm sure as you know, adobo is a very traditional seasoning blend in Puerto Rican cuisine, and we use it for everything. I mean, if you've watched any of our videos, there's everywhere. Now, most of the time, we just go to the store and buy the adobo. It comes in little bottles and it says adobo, no questions asked. But I was chatting with somebody on Instagram this week who asked me, because he's overseas, where he could find adobo. And I was like, man, that's crazy that we take it for granted. You know, we just assume that we can buy adobo, but some people don't have access to it. And so I wanted to make a short video, show you guys how to make adobo. And don't worry, even if you can buy adobo at the stores, there's good reasons not to. First, let's talk about some of the health reasons. Now, a lot of adobo is different, so it depends on which one you're buying, but some of them have things like preservatives, MSG, a lot more salt than maybe you prefer. So if you make them at home, you can change that and make a healthier version of the adobo. And second, maybe the flavor's a little bit different and you want to add a little something, take a little something out, boom, you can do it at home. Super easy. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to make adobo from very basic ingredients that you can find anywhere in the world. We got garlic powder, we got salt, we got turmeric, we got oregano, black pepper, cumin. So 6 ingredients, and honestly 4, because these 2 are kind of optional depending on which brand you buy. So they come with cumin, without cumin, with pepper, without pepper. So those are kind of optional depending on how you prefer it. But this is super easy, guys. So easy. You can do it at home and it's great. So let's get cooking. Adobo generally consists of 6 ingredients: garlic powder, salt, turmeric, oregano, black pepper, and cumin. Once you've got your spices in hand, go ahead and measure them out. I've shared the amounts I use, but feel free to adjust the ratios as you see fit. If you like a little more pepper, add a little more pepper. Want a little less salt? Add less salt. Just keep experimenting until you've got it where you want. Once you've measured out your ingredients, add them to a large bowl and mix together briskly to combine thoroughly. Once mixed, store your adobo in an airtight container to protect it from the humidity. And that's it. Like I said, easy. And so there you guys go, your very own adobo. And like I said, super easy. It's as easy as measuring everything out, putting it in a bowl, then mixing it up. And I'm sure you guys can do that. And so once you've got it, you got your own adobo, and it tastes just like what you buy at the store, if anything better. And so you guys should really try this. Super easy. It'll take you 5 minutes to do. Then you can say you make your own adobo at home, and people will be like, whoa, that's so cool. And then even if you're overseas and you can't find it in the stores, you can make it for yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you liked the video. Share it with your friends, guys. There's a lot of people out there that need to know how to make adobo. You can make it happen. Subscribe to the channel and then come back again next week for another episode of Jeff and Joe's Puerto Rican Kitchen.